What's good, YouTube? This boy on the JMD 2 times with the croutons coming back at y'all with another video. Today is going to be something I usually don't do on this channel, and the video won't be that long just because I'm not doing that much. I'm just going to be showing y'all just a little bit. But what I have to do today is I have to clean a few pair of shoes. I want y'all to see how my cleaning process is within doing it. Some of y'all asked me, wanting to know how I clean my shoes, and it's basically just the same as everybody else, soap and water. So I haven't made a new solution yet, but I mean, hopefully I will in the future sometime. But I have 5 pair of shoes that I have to clean. I gotta clean my Adidas XPLR. I have to clean my old school Vans. I have to clean my Polo high tops. I have to clean my Flame Fire old school Vans. And for the last pair, I have to clean my Nike Air Max 90. These, as you can see, have a stain right there. I was on a motorcycle, and where you would change the gears, I guess it got dirty right there. So that's where that dirt spot came from, or that black stain. So I'm gonna be cleaning those today. Shouldn't really take me that long. Probably about from a range of 10 to 15 minutes for all shoes, because it's really not that much of a dirt damage done to these shoes. So I'm about to get started. So yeah, y'all just come on a journey with me. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, if anybody who's viewing is new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that notification bell, because YouTube is not giving you any notification updates. So please make sure you guys do that. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Is it cold? Yeah. You run up in the snow, it's the mode. I can't play the role, I don't know. And we in the foreign, I don't know. But you said that you remember, I don't know. Yeah, you said you know, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I can only tell you, I don't know. Pulling up 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I'm outside, waiting on you and your vibes. Yeah, that's right, I'ma get to you, and I'ma get you right. But I'm not the thief in the night, no, not the thief in the night. I'ma get it down your way. I don't act a dame like 4 ways. Got you feeling down, it's all fake. Turning and running, I like it the game. Breaking it down, trying to get to the case. I regulate over the conjugate. Turning and running, accepting the fate. Now that was fake. How you gonna question it and go around me? Things been on my mind, I ain't got that sympathy. Floating in a box, they telling me it's meant to be, but it ain't in me. Is it cold? Yeah. You run up in the snow, it's the mode. I can't play the role, I don't know. And we in the foreign, I don't know. But you said that you remember, I don't know. Yeah, you said you know, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I can only tell you, I don't know. Yeah. Is it me? Why me? Or did I do too much to begin with? I think you did. I don't recommend that I can fit in. I can't go into the crowd and just go with it. You dug me into this, now you gotta admit it. That I do too much for you. That I do too much for you. That I do too much for you. Go back and forth. That I do too much for you. What is this? Wait, why is this on me? Did I miss it? I catch the matrimony. I stood up for you, like they called you phony. But why's they come for me? You said bad like it's good to me. I done skipped the line, this my second time. Won't do it no more cause I am out of fine. Out of character, it's getting out of kind. Carry shit just like you saying it's all mine. But you gotta let go and forgive. I recommend it's for the better to live. Take it and shake it, it's gon' turn into a heartbreak. I done been through this plenty of times and it my heart race. The way that I'm feeling right now, I really should be off one, but I'm stronger than that, and I'm finna come up off one. Is it me? Why me? Or did I do too much to begin with? I don't recommend that I can fit in. I can't go into the crowd and just go with it. You drag me into this now, you gotta admit it. That I do too much for you. That I do too much for you. That I do too much for you. Go back and forth. That I do too much for you. Hey. I'ma playing the game with no T on it. Every play that we made, we got heat on it. Spread them out, Excel sheet on it. Do it all in the above, no cheat on it. Put in all of the work, double teaming it. Locked into the field, streaming it. The coach of the game, we keeping it. See you tweaking them hearts, ain't we tweaking it. I'ma playing the game with no T on it. Every play that we made, we got heat on it. Spread them out, Excel sheet on it. Do it all in the above, no cheat on it. Put in all of the work, double teaming it. Locked into the field, streaming it. The coach of the game, we keeping it. See you tweaking them hearts, ain't we tweaking it. Created a circle, no Velvet cheese. Don't even got no players on my team. Everybody reaching for the keys. Look like you handed it over to me. Don't put your hand out if you ain't cooked up. Say you out of town and say that you booked up. Now you hesitating for the team. That would just never drilled in me. There's only one standard, stand what you stand for. I was always aware of the landlord. I never put down on a handboard. They gon' ask you some questions, I'm Scantron. No, never go for the blow. Take the ankle away from your nose. Cause they gon' be hot on patrol. Plotting you down on the road. The hot spot gon' be down in the middle. In a minute they gon' find your riddle. No hot spot, you ain't crippled. I had to play it out in major ways. Mix it up with a different flavor. You had no idea. Had to plan out in Nokia. I'ma playing the game with no T on it. Every play that we made, we got heat on it.
So guys, I only ended up cleaning 2 pairs of shoes. One reason because
It was starting to get hot.
and second because these right here, these right here, and these right, all 3 of these right here are like badly, like dirt damage.
So I'm gonna have to like get some real solution
And clean all of these right here. But these and these are clean as better as this is I can't even think of it. Those have been cleaned to the best of their ability. I'm not gonna try to do anything else to them just because these I'm gonna sell. These I'm not just yet. And these I'm gonna have to find a solution for. So yeah, that's it for these shoes.
But that is it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell because like I said in the beginning of the video, YouTube is not giving you NT notifications. Letting you know that. But guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. And this is JMD 2 times the cool times and I am out. Peace.